In this section, we're going to go over the steps required to send an app from the MDM to the devices in your school. The first thing we need to do is go into the Apps and Books section from the left-hand menu. In this section, you have an overview of all of the apps that either you have purchased for your school or that came in the initial board catalog. The first thing that needs to be done is we need to sync the licenses. This basically communicates AirWatch to VPP and pushes any new purchases that you have made in the VPP, and we're going to select resync all apps. Once some time has passed, we can then go through the list and either search manually for the new app, or we can go to the search dialog box on the top right and type in the name of the specific app that we are looking for. As you can see, we have 125 licenses purchased, and we are currently using 0 of them, so there are 125 that are still available to be used. In order to send the app to the devices, we need to select the Edit Assignment box, which opens up the Edit Assignment dialog box. We're going to add the assignment by license codes by Smart Group. Initially, the Smart Group will be your school. As you become more advanced users, you can create Smart Groups for departments, grades, classes, etc. When we select our school, it will show us that we have 121 users or 121 iPads. We're going to allocate 121 of the licenses that we purchased. We're going to scroll down to the last step, which is choosing the deployment. You have the option of choosing auto deployment, which means the app will push to all the devices in your school, or on demand. You will choose whatever makes the most sense for you in your school. For this instance, we're going to select on demand, which means that once the apps have been pushed, the student or teacher can just go into the catalog and select install. Once that is done, we're going to click on save, and now that app has been pushed to the 121 devices in your school.